Department of Education School Government of in Manipur na Sinduna State Level National Science Day 2026 ki THOURAM PANGTHOKKHRE Women in Science Catalyzing Viksit Bharat haiba theme da City Convention gi Conference Hall da pangthokiba THOURAM aduda Dr. A Chinglien Khombabitai MCS Joint Secretary Education S Government of Manipur Bisheswar Khumukcham MCS Additional Director of Education SV Manipur Dangmai Manglem MCS Additional Director of Education HS Manipur G Anita Devi Additional Director of Education SGC Manipur Amadi Sana Tombi Basaspati Mayum MSF Chief Finance Officer Director of Education S na Atoy Bumitunglen Singh Oina Sarukyaki.
The basic, the use of the science and the requirement of the science, and in fact we are very much lagging behind in the science. So this program, we have some resource person yesterday and today, and we have some exhibition as well that we have seen here, and we have some coordination with the students of all over the districts of the state, and we have quiz program. We will be having quiz program. After written test, we had the quiz program, and it will be declared in a short while. So these two programs, it will be have some help to sensitize the students all over the country, states as well. 11 districts, we participate for 11 districts. Unfortunately, some districts cannot make up due to some other reasons. So we have only 11 districts. Okay.